revise one lesson, plant and animal hormones. First, hormones is what? Already we learnt this lesson, hormones, that is produced in endocrine glands. Endocrine gland means the hormones are the chemical substances which is produced in the endocrine glands, and that endocrine gland means the hormones are produced inside the blood means endocrine, or the hormones are that is carried through some blood vessels means that is through some veins or vessels means that is exocrine glands. Okay, directly it is mixed into the blood means that is endocrine, or it is carried through some minute pipe-like structure, that is exocrine gland. Outside of the blood means exocrine glands. Okay, so that is the hormones, in which plant and animal hormones. About the plant and animal hormones we will learn. Already we learnt, we will revise that plant and animal hormones. In the plant hormones, axin, cytokinin, gibberellin, abscisic acid, shortly ABA, and ethylene. These questions, these topics are there, in which the axins, the Venn experiment can be asked. Venn experiment, the three plant in three parts are there, in which part the plants are by using the axins only. By using the axin, the plant can be grown easily. So that is a axin. Venn experiment that may be asked in 7 mark question. Then types of axin, natural axin, synthetic axin. That is more or less slightly important, but the physiological importance, physiological effect of axin, cytokinin, gibberellin, these and ethylene. So plant hormones, all the five of the plant hormones, axin, cytokinin, gibberellin, abscisic acid, ethylene, all the five. The physiological effect of these 5 hormones are very, very important. Each and every one is a 4 mark question. Any 2 4 mark question including that can be asked in 7 mark question. Okay. See, the physiological effect of axin, and that is also 5 points are there. So that is also asked in 4 mark question. Then cytokinin, that is also in cytokinin. 5 points are there. Each and everyone having selectively 5 points are there. And moreover, not only that can be asked in 4 mark question, that is asked in 1 mark also. In some questions like morphogenesis in cytogenesis, morphogenesis also there. Or 2 mark also, what is morphogenesis? Some by using the axin and cytokines are essential for the formation of organs. New organs, the external organs are formed, that is a morphogenesis. And Rigmond effect, application of cytokinin delays the process of aging in plants, that is a Rigmond-Lang effect. So this is also on 2 mark. Then bolting, very, very important, 2 mark in gibberellin. So in this physiological effect of axin, cytokinin, gibberellin, some 1 mark and 2 mark is also there. So anyway, in the plant hormones, physiological effect of 5 hormones, all the 5 hormones are important, in which the gibberellin, abscisic acid, ethylene, these 3 are asked in book bag questions. Other 2 are important, we should study. Okay, so all the 5 hormones are very, very important, we have to study. Sometimes one questions also asked in banana. Yesterday I kept in one place, or in one polythene bag, the banana is the banana was as a vegetable one, but now I am seeing the banana was ripened, and the banana is ripened. What process is happened, and what hormone is used, or what hormones is utilized here. So that is that process is a ripening. Okay, what hormones is used, that is ethylene gas. And sometimes such way also the questions may be asked. Only one gaseous hormone in our book, in the plant hormones, are that is a ethylene. Okay, then by indicating the special feature of a hormone, the questions may be created, or scientific names are may be asked. Then the special features, not only the special feature, due to its function also the question may be asked. So these are the some parts are there. Okay, for the ripening of fruits, for the gaseous hormone, these are all the ethylene, abscisic acid, the short form of the abscisic acid, ABA, and this also. Then the previous topic, gibberellin, the gibberellin also, the by which fungus as it is, that was found by which hormone or which fungus? Gibberellia fugiculae. That is on fungus by which only gibberellic acid is found first. Then at first that is a gibberellic acid also. Then by what disease the gibberellic acid or gibberellins are found? Bacnia disease. These are the book inside. Then by which parthenocarpy? What is parthenocarpy? Without fusion of the male and female gametes, or the ovary is not fusioned or not fertilized with the male gamete. The ovary is ripened. Ovary is ripened without fertilization. So without fertilization, ripening is that is a parthenocarpy. Okay. Then short form. Then examples of natural and artificial accents. Artificial accent: phenyl acetic acid (PAA), indole 3 acetic indole 3. So some in the box question, in the box for some one more questions may be asked. Okay. The next one, human endocrine glands. Human endocrine glands. See, human endocrine glands, in which one important question in the box. The branch of biology which deals with the study of the endocrine glands and the physiology is known as the endocrinology. That is a 1 mark in the box question. Then Thomas Edison is known as the father of the endocrinology. That is a 1 mark question. Then E.H. Starling. So Baylis and E.H. Starling. That is they are the first to discover the hormone. First discovered hormone, that is a secretin. Okay. So these are box question, 1 mark question. You should study the one box for 1 mark question. Okay. Then book inside sometimes here and there in the 4 mark also. 2 mark questions may be hidden. Then animal glands, that is a pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid, pancreas, adrenal. Then gonads, that is a testis and ovary, that is a reproductive glands, gonads. Then thymus gland. These are some animal glands, animal or human glands. First one, pituitary. In the pituitary, how the questions may be asked? 2 mark question. What is master gland? Why it is called as a master gland? Because it is only controlling all the other glands, so it is a master gland. Then what are the hormones produced and what is its function? What are its functions? Okay, growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone. So these are some hormones, each and everyone having some functions. Growth hormone, in which the gigantism, acromegaly, then some hormones are also there. Then in the growth hormones, TSH. TSH means thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, gonadotropic hormone, then follicle stimulating hormones. Each and everyone having some short form: TSH, ACTH, GTH and FSH, luteinizing hormone, LH. Each and everyone having some function. These are all the hormones of the pituitary gland. Each and everyone having some functions. All of them we should be known. Okay. Then hormones produced by the, in the pituitary, anterior and posterior 2 lobes are there. Anterior and posterior. Anterior parts we saw and posterior parts means that is a vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone, then oxytocin, that is a posterior. These two also important. So all the hormones produced by the pituitary gland, which are all we should study. Okay. Then thyroid gland. This is a selected question in the last year book also. Thyroid gland and thyroid, pancreas, adrenal. These 3 parts are often asked. These are also they may be asked. Okay. So thyroid gland, the first the diagram. We should see the diagram. Then after seeing the diagram, we should know the functions of the thyroxine that is produced by the thyroid gland. Then dysfunction of thyroid, that is a goiter. Goiter means that is a largest swelling. We can see in our neck, that is a deficiency of thyroxine. Okay. Then goiter, cretinism, that is also the deficiency of thyroxine hormone. So that is a cretinism. Cretinism is happening in the child. Then myxedema, that is happening in the matured or adult peoples only. Then these 3 diseases, goiter, cretinism and myxedema. These 3 diseases are occurring in the occurring by the hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism means the disinfection of thyroid hormones or thyroxine hormone decreasement. Okay, then by the increasement of thyroxine hormone, what is the disease? Hyperthyroidism. Okay, so hyperthyroidism. Then parathyroid gland. So the pituitary, after the pituitary, thyroid gland is there. So these are all important. Parathyroid gland. In the parathyroid gland, my opinion, functions of parathyroid. That is a three lines are only there. Parathyroid, functions of parathyroid. That is a selected 2-mark question. You can expect functions of parathyroid. Okay. Then pancreas. That is also very important 7-mark question. Sometimes the functions only 4-mark questions. Okay. Pancreas. First, where is it present? It is present just below the stomach. It is the largest bag-like structure. The pancreas isolates of Langerhans. That is a endocrine power. What is its functions? It is producing 2 hormones, insulin and glucagon. Insulin, that is that decreases the glucose level, and glucagon that increases the or slightly increases the glucose level. So both are present in pancreas gland. Okay. And these two are having some important, like conversion of glucose into glycogen. Glycogen is a complex material that is happened by the insulin hormone. Glucagon helps to in the breakdown of the glycogen to glucose. The complex material is converted into a glucose material. So each and every, if these two hormones are present only, the blood glucose level is maintained in our body. Okay. Then diabetes mellitus, very important. Diabetes mellitus, the deficiency of insulin causes diabetes mellitus. It is diabetes mellitus means sugar level increasement. So some symptoms of diabetes mellitus is given as increase in blood sugar, that is a hyperglycemia, then excretion of excess glucose, that is a glycosuria, then frequent urination, polyuria, increased thirst, polydipsia, then increase in appetite, polyphagia. Okay, so in the pancreas also we should study all the things. Then adrenal gland, in the adrenal gland also, adrenal cortex, that is a outer line or borderline of the adrenal gland. Then adrenal medulla, adrenal gland medulla, that is a inner part of the adrenal gland. Each and everyone having some function, in which functions of adrenal cortex, that is a glucocorticoid, then mineralocorticoid, that is a adrenal cortex. These two hormones are having some 3 points or 2 points are there. Okay, 3 points are there. Then adrenal medulla is also having important, that is also having two hormones, epinephrine, norepinephrine. So adrenal cortex outer part, adrenal medulla inner part, both are having two hormones. Each and every hormone is having some functions also, and that is a special important name for this. That is a emergency hormone, because of in the emergency time of our body, it is only maintaining, okay, to our health. Then reproductive glands, gonads, that is a testis. In male, testis gland is there. The testis gland is producing testosterone hormone. In Leydig cells it is there. Then testosterone hormones, that is only producing the sperm cells or male gametes. Okay. Then functions of testosterone, that is also 3 points. So it is having 3 points so that it can be asked in 2 more question. Okay. Then ovary, in ovary not only in testis to only one hormone, but in ovary estrogen, progesterone, 2 hormones are there. Functions of estrogen, then functions of progesterone, 2 hormones. Each and every hormone, in the estrogen 4 points are there, in the progesterone 4 points. So it may be asked in 4 mark question. Okay, this is a book by question also, I think. Then thymus gland, that is a selected 2 mark question. Functions of thymus, it is present just in our just above the heart. Functions of the thymosin, that is a 2 points, so that it can be asked in 2 mark question. So in the book inside part, all the physiological effect of 5 important plant hormones. Then thyroid, not it is important we cannot say, but even though we can expect some questions, that things are only I am telling. Thyroid, then thyroid, pancreas, adrenal, these are very long question. Then Reproductive glands and thymus gland, that is a 4 mark question and 2 mark questions. Okay, then book back also. In these lessons, all the 1 mark questions, see, 9 choose and 9 fill up, match the following, and match the following, the column like question and some true or false. Then assessment reasons are maybe asked in 2 mark, sometimes 2 mark also it can be asked. Then answer in a word or a sentence, that is not a very very important. But after that, the 7th Roman letter, you see, 7th Roman letter, short answer, that is having nearly 10 questions, 10 short answer questions. All the 10 questions are important for the 2 mark question. Then long answer, the long answer also, in which the Vente experiment one time asked the physiological effect of gibberellin, that is a 4 mark question. One gibberellin, physiological effect of gibberellin and the physiological effect of ethylene, the two topics are maybe asked in 7 mark question. So all the 5 you should study. In this lesson, 2 mark and a long answer, that is a very very important. Some students are asking higher order thinking, so hard question should we study or not? That also you should study. Okay, the questions may be asked in any way. That may be a common question. In the common question, that is a very very difficult. So they may be asked in book backside hard questions. But sometimes book back questions are very very important and selected question often asked, so that can be asked in public exam also. Last time dicot stem and monocot stem, that is was asked in public exam also. Okay, so this time also the book back question, some questions are asked in revision test, that may be asked in public exam also. Already questions are taken, so that all the book back question first you study, especially 2 mark and 5 mark, 1 mark also. After that book inside all the topics, just you thorough and write well. All the best.